The move by more entrepreneurs to provide transportation services has led to growth in the sector. In this week's edition of the Business Review, TVJ's Andrew Laidley looks at one association in the transport industry which has been expanding for the last 50 years.
When you don't own a private vehicle, getting from one place to another can sometimes be a challenge, especially if you live in the rural parts of the island. But 50 years ago, a group of entrepreneurs came together to ease the burden of traveling by offering a rent-a-car service.
The association's main objective are to standardize and regularize the rent-a-car industry, to promote the business of its members on an organized and ethical basis, provide a competitive and reliable product to the tourism industry.
But at the same time, the tourism ministry is urging the association to evolve to stay relevant for the next 50 years.
The increasing number of smartphone users globally, the rising dependency on technology, all of this has upended the travel industry in a profound way, changing traveler behavior and expectations.
The permanent secretary noted that rideshare services are changing the way the industry operates. With that in mind, she wants the Rent-A-Car Association to stay ahead of the transformation. But the president says there are obstacles.
Despite many challenges, we, the members of the Jamaica Rent-A-Car Association, continue to uphold the lofty goal set by our founders.
On that note, Ms. Griffiths offered these observations.
What about sending your travel influencers on road trips across the island in a sponsored car to promote your brand and your destination, Jamaica, across various social media platforms? Jamaica Tourist Board does it in New York City or the country. You can reach millions of potential customers this way across the globe. Let us think outside the box and see how best we can position ourselves in a new marketplace to maximize what we gain from this vibrant tourism sector.
Since its inception, the Jamaica Rent-A-Car Association has had the support of the Jamaica Tourist Board and the Jamaica Hotel and Tourist Association and is seen as the wheels that drive tourism. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.